Hi, this is Chris from One Accounting. As you know, we're really big fans of Xero and Receipt Bank. So Receipt Bank is a fantastic add-on app that enables you to automate your bookkeeping by scanning in invoices and receipts and taking a lot of the grunt work out of your bookkeeping. So what I'm going to be doing today is just showing you a fairly new feature in Receipt Bank, which is called Fetch. And this will help you download invoices automatically for suppliers that you use that actually just send you either email invoices or give you a portal where you can log in to get your invoice. So, for example, we use people like Vodafone, our utilities providers, all have a portal where we can, like I say, log in and download these invoices. So let me show you how you do that. Okay, so I'm in Receipt Bank here. If you go to Add Items, and then you need to select this option here called Invoice Fetch. So if you click on that, so here is some of the ones that we've set up already. I know E.ON is our electricity provider. There's a couple of software apps here, Paymo, Typeform, and Zapier, and also Vodafone for our mobile phone bills as well. So these are all already set up. So what I will need to do now is add a new one, and I'm going to be adding our Amazon account. So like most businesses, we order things from Amazon. So what you need to do is click on the Browse button, and then in the search bar, we would just type in Amazon. And what it brings up is a list of all the various flavors of Amazon that you can actually connect with. So what we need to choose here is amazon.co.uk. So you select user, and then you just need to put in the name of the Receipt Bank user that is actually that you are. So I'm going to click on my name here, Chris Thomas, and add that. The next stage is that it will come to a login screen. So this is actually us logging into Amazon. So let me just pop in my email address here. And then the password. Okay. What I want to do is include the last 30 days transactions here. And there's two further options. So there's message sent to invoice. So if I just click on the little question mark there. So this is where if you order through Amazon Marketplace, it can sometimes be tricky to get VAT invoices. So there's an option there to get the Amazon Marketplace invoices as well. So I am going to switch that on. And Marketplace orders. So I'm not going to tick that box because that only actually refers to orders rather than invoices. So let's connect. Okay, so what it's going to do is now verify my credentials. Okay, so I've now been sent a verification code from Amazon to my mobile phone. So let's just pop that in and hit the send button. Okay, and then just going to verify that code. Okay, and the good news is that my credentials have been verified. So what it's going to do now is do a bit of work in the background, and in a few minutes' time, it will start downloading the invoices from Amazon directly into Receipt Bank. So let's just pause there and come back in a few minutes when that's done. Okay, so I've let 20 minutes elapse, and Receipt Bank has now brought in, it's actually 4 Amazon invoices through the fetch routine. So if I just go into this one here, what you'll see there is the Amazon business invoice on the left-hand side, and then the standard Receipt Bank screen where you need to allocate the cost on the right-hand side. So this is just a little bit of computer equipment that we've bought. So let me just put that in. Computer supplies. Okay, and then I am just going to mark that as paid by our credit card. So click on the Publish button, and that's done. So hopefully that'll give you a few tips and tricks on how to use Receipt Bank Invoice Fetch.